Welcome to World Coin Mystique, the place where every coin tells a hidden story and every small piece of metal could be worth a fortune. Have you ever thought that the loose change sitting in your pocket right now might secretly be worth hundreds of thousands of dollars? It sounds impossible, but it happens more often than you think. And today, we are diving into one of the most shocking modern coin discoveries ever connected to the 1986 P Roosevelt dime. So stop whatever you are doing, take a deep breath, and listen carefully, because this might be the most important video you watch if you have ever saved coins, collected change, or ignored the small coins people usually overlook, because today we are talking about a simple dime, something most people don't even pick up from the ground. But under the right conditions, with the right characteristics, this small coin could be worth up to $700,000. Yes, a single dime turning into life-changing money. And in this video, I am going to guide you step by step, from identifying the rare signs, to protecting your coin, to authenticating it, and finally showing you how to sell it safely to serious buyers in the United States. But before we go deeper, subscribe to World Coin Mystique, because every video here is designed to help you discover hidden money in everyday coins, real stories, real values, and real opportunities. Now let's start with something very important. Why the 1986 P Roosevelt dime? Why this specific coin? Because even though it is a modern coin and millions were produced, the truth is, not all coins are created equal. During the minting process, small mistakes happen, and when those mistakes escape into circulation, they become extremely rare, and rarity is what creates value. In 1986, the United States Mint was producing millions of dimes. But among those millions, a very small number came out with unusual characteristics, things that were never meant to happen. And those rare variations are what collectors are searching for today. Now here is where it gets serious. If you think you might have a 1986 P Roosevelt dime, the first rule is simple. Do not treat it like normal change. Don't clean it. Don't rub it. Don't try to make it shiny, because cleaning a coin can instantly destroy its value, even if it is extremely rare. Instead, hold it carefully by the edges, or better yet, place it in a protective holder, because from this moment you are not dealing with a coin, you are dealing with a potential asset. Now let's move into identification. This is the part where most people either discover something amazing or realize they have a normal coin. First, the weight test. This is one of the fastest and most reliable checks. A normal 1986 dime weighs about 2.27 grams, so you need a precise digital scale. If your coin weighs noticeably more or less, even by a small margin, that is your first sign that something is different. And difference means potential value. Second, the edge test. Look closely at the side of the coin. A normal dime has a copper-colored layer visible in the middle. But if your coin looks fully silver with no copper line, that could mean it was struck on a different planche, and that is extremely rare. Now imagine holding a coin that was never supposed to exist. That is where value begins. Third, the surface. And shine. Tilt the coin under a bright light. Watch how the light reflects. Does it look dull, or does it shine like a mirror? Some rare coins have what collectors call a proof-like finish, meaning the surface reflects light sharply, almost like glass. If you see that, don't ignore it. Fourth, doubling. This is one of the most valuable signs. Look at the text on the coin, especially Liberty, In God We Trust, and the date. If you notice clear doubling, where the letters appear slightly duplicated in a sharp and raised way, that is not normal. That is a mint error, and mint errors are where serious money exists. Fifth, unique marks and details. Look closely at Roosevelt's face, the torch, and the fine lines of the design. Sometimes rare coins carry small cracks, unusual shapes, or tiny details that match known rare examples. These are like fingerprints, and they can confirm rarity. Now here is the moment where everything changes. If your coin shows even one of these signs, you must stop. Don't rush to sell it. Don't tell everyone, and definitely don't post high-quality pictures online, because once something rare is exposed publicly, it can attract scammers, copycats, and even theft. So what should you do instead? Follow the professional process. Step 1. Document your coin. Take a clear video, show the weight on the scale, rotate the coin under light, capture every angle. Then, take clear photos of front, back, and edge. This is your proof, and proof is power. Step 2. Get expert opinions. Reach out to trusted coin dealers or experienced collectors. Send low-resolution images first and ask for honest feedback. Always get at least 2 opinions. Step 3. Authentication. If experts believe your coin is rare, the next step is sending it to a professional grading company. This is where your coin gets officially verified, graded, and sealed. Without this step, your coin is just a possibility. With it, your coin becomes real value. And when we are talking about a potential $700,000 coin, authentication is not optional, it is essential. Now, let's talk about selling, because this is where people either make smart decisions or lose big opportunities. There are 3 main ways to sell a rare coin. First, auction houses. These are the places where serious collectors compete, and when multiple buyers want the same rare coin, the price can increase very quickly. Second, private sales. These are faster and more discreet, usually handled by experienced dealers who connect you with wealthy buyers. Third, institutional buyers, sometimes museums or high-level collectors, are willing to pay premium prices for unique coins. But listen carefully. Never accept random offers. Never trust unknown buyers, and never ship your coin without proper insurance and secure payment methods, because at this level, you are not just selling a coin, you are handling a high-value asset. Now let's answer the biggest question. Why would someone pay $700,000 for a dime? The answer is simple. Rarity, condition, authentication, and demand. When a coin is extremely rare, properly verified, and multiple collectors want it, the price rises fast. And sometimes very fast. Now imagine this moment. You go home tonight, you open an old jar of coins, you start checking them one by one, and suddenly one coin feels different. It looks slightly unusual, it sounds sharper when it drops. Something about it stands out. That moment, that small feeling, that curiosity, that could be the beginning of something life-changing, because hidden treasure does not always look special at first. Sometimes it looks exactly like every other coin until you know what to look for. So take action today. Check your coins. Use the steps I showed you. Be patient. Be careful. And don't ignore small details, because small details create big money. If you find something unusual, protect it, verify it, and follow the right process. And if you want to learn more about rare coins, hidden values, and real opportunities, subscribe to World Coin Mystique. Like this video, and turn on notifications, because in the next video I will show you a real example of a coin that shocked collectors and sold for an unbelievable price. Until then, keep searching, stay curious, and never underestimate your pocket change, because the next life-changing discovery could already be in your hands.